Hey guys, welcome to this video. I talk about the detection of charges. We've already discussed the static electricity. We saw its concept, the fundamental law of electrostatics. Now, today let's see the detection of charges. We'll start with the concept of detection of charges. We have to know the meaning of detection of charges. Detection of charges, this is the process of noticing certain kind of charges in a body. We said that the charges can be positive or negative. So the process of noticing such kind of charges in a body is what we call the detection of charges. Now, an electroscope is an instrument that detects the charges. So it is a charge detector. It is a scientific instrument that is used to detect the presence and the magnitude of electric charge on your body. How it happens is that this charge detector responds to ionic species or body by drawing current at a fixed potential. Now let's see the types of electroscopes. Now there are two classic types of electroscopes and they're as follows. The first one is a pitbull electroscope and the second one is a Godriff electroscope. Now in this video we're going to discuss the Godriff electroscope. Let's see the structure of Godriff electroscope. Now, this electroscope consists of an insulated brass rod with the two pieces of thin gold foil at one end and a brass cap at the other end. Now, when the brass cap is touched with the charged body, the leaves of the electroscope spread out. Now, this is because the charge on the body is conducted through the brass cap and the brass rod to the leaves. Now, as they received the same kind of charge, the leaves repel to each other and thus they spread apart. Now, this is charging by the contact. We've already discussed the ways of charging a body. Now, if you touch the brass cap with your finger, the charge is transferred through your body to the earth and the leaves of the electroscope then collapse together. Now, this is just an illustration of Godriff electroscope. As you can see, its parts, there is a brass cap, an insulator, uh, there is an earth metal case, a Godriff, there is a brass plate and a brass rod. How it works, we've already seen in the explanations. So if there is presence of charged body that comes into contact with this electroscope, the leaves are repelled to each other, and if you touch the the Godriff electroscope, the charges flow and they went to the earth. So and the leaves collapse again. So this is the Godriff electroscope. Now let's see the function of an electroscope. The following just few of the functions of an electroscope. The first one is it is used in testing for the sign of the charge on the body. The second one is identifying the insulating properties of materials, whether it is a good insulating material or not. And the last one it is the detecting the presence of charge on the body. So those are the main functions of an electroscope. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. In this video, discussed the concept of detection of charge. We've seen the types of electroscopes. We said there are two, and we further discussed the Goodleaf electroscope. Thank you.